I see there's a big misunderstanding on my financial mismanagement video regarding the reserves. And the question is really, how do I build reserves if my company can't afford it? So let me discuss that in this video. Financial, you know the deal, mismanagement part 2. So as we know, what we are trying to do is we're trying to get our company above the break-even point. And then not just to stay around here, then we're still not profitable. We're trying to get up here. To get up here, I need to build reserves. So what's the problem with building reserves is that we only have 3 options to build reserves. If I can't afford reserves, it means you're around here somewhere. So to increase your income, we have 2 options. Increase the amount of sales, more volume, or increase your price. Take your spreadsheet, calculate it exactly, and increase your prices. So these are your 2 main options to increase the inflow into your company. That will help you build reserves because then you have space up here to put money into your reserve. The only other option is to decrease the amount of outgo. So if you have a factory with, let's say, a 400 meter factory, obviously get a smaller factory with only, half the size of that one, which means there's less outflow. So I can actually decrease the amount of outgo in my company. So this is how you get out of the situation where you can't afford to create reserves. You increase your price, you increase the volume of sales, and you decrease your outputs.